Oh, Fred's got one too. Whoa. I hope this comes out good on the video. Nice. Ah. Oh. Ah, domo. Ah. Watch your. I may have to come to the back there. Once. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Oh. Dozo. Or domo. Hey Fred, watch yourself coming around the back. I got him running pretty good. Coming around your backside here. Oh yeah, he's a beauty. Woo. Hi. Ah, making another run. There we go. Yeah, that's keeper. Hey Fred, you got the net? I'm hoping. Oh, he's. No. Hi. Oh. Ah, he's going under the boat. Come on, get out, get out. No propeller, please. I'm under the boat. I'm coming back around. Like he is not wanting to give up. Ah, come on. Oh, he's heavy. I'm on this side again, Fred. Well, come on. Yeah, I see him. Ah, damn. I just don't want to break the rod. Oh, geez, I'm a crow, man. I get a little bit of line on him, and then he dives like that. I thought they were supposed to tire out quickly, not us. Oh. Holy crap, dude. Ah, he's back under the boat. Where is he? Oh, come on. Get out from underneath the boat. Like he is. How do I change the drag? No, I don't want to mess with it. Ah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo. Ah. I see him again. Yeah, he's heavy too. Okay, here we go. I thought hiking Mount Fuji was bad. Oh, here we go. Here we go. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. Woo!
Nice.
Holy Pano. Oh, hi. Here. Oh, let me